Hey guys, so today we're going to be making slime. So all you will need is glue, something to mix with, a bowl, borax or detergent, hot water, and a tablespoon. And we have these little containers to put our slime in. So first you're going to pour your glue in. And now you're going to get your hot water.
This one.
Okay.
Wait. A teaspoon or a tablespoon? Yeah, that's a teaspoon.
And I get a teaspoon of borax.
Okay, put it in.
And mix it until it dissolves. Okay, so once that is done, get your glue and pour some in of your borax solution and mix it.
Get more.
I don't know.
Okay.
Which one is this?
Bring it closer.
It's okay.
That noise. It's not done yet, Jemine. Go get a chopstick.
Okay.
So this is what it will look like midway. Mix it with a chopstick instead.
Okay.
I'm putting more in. Jump in the cup.
Balance on.
Keep mixing. Is this going up on YouTube, Jemine?
This is boring.
Huh? Maybe.
You should probably edit instead.
I know.
Uploading straight. You should probably speak to your viewers.
I know.
Hey, Mom.
So this is what it looks like so far. You want to use that spoon to put the borax in? Okay, that's a yes there. And just do it until your slime.
Activated. So you're just gonna keep doing that, and while I do that, Jemine will work on her other slime.
I have to get another spoon.
Yeah. Because that would be so repetitive if you just like sit here going.
Up here washing the dishes?
It's literally like 5 things.
You know she wanted to do it.
Okay, guys, so onto An's fluffy slime.
So you will need white school glue.
Oh, were you gonna do a separate tutorial for that?
And
Like a different video?
no,
Uh-oh, might have been too much for our hands.
She still has like an eighth of a bottle
yeah.
left.
Okay. Gosh.
And then you'll need shaving cream or shaving foam. So pour in your white glue.
Pour in your white glue. Oh, I'm gonna put only a little bit, because remember you're making
I
like
know.
10 different slimes?
I'm gonna make it 4. That's why I have 4 containers.
Mine, that's like
your
half the
slime.
bottle.
No, that isn't. That's not half the bottle. Okay, that's enough right
Yeah.
now.
Jemine, wipe this in front of me so I can put this on my table. Wipe the table in front of me.
There.
Oh, no.
Now shake up your shaving cream.
Put more glue in it.
It's so hard, Jemine. Fail.
That's your
Add
fault.
it in. Yeah, you're the one.
Oh, shoot. I forgot you only need a little bit whenever you use a teaspoon of borax.
Okay, I'm not gonna add a lot.
You better fix it somehow.
I need baby oil. That's what I need.
Yeah, you need baby oil. There's more glue in that. I'm gonna use this. Now mix.
Oh, no, look.
Yeah.
When you know the slime has failed.
We need our glue.
How much is this glue?
$1.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
It was $3 originally.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit more glue, just right
I
now.
need water.
Get some.
Oh, Neil, you can put water. Put it under hot water.
So hot.
She's gonna miss it.
Ow.
Okay,
You gotta show them what it looks like.
so this is what it looks like. It's just, yeah. And now we add some borax solution. Okay, now it's ready for me. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, she is.
Why is this water getting hot?
I think so.
Opposites attract. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so my slime has, well, it's done. And then you can add food coloring or whatever, and paint, acrylic paint. So you're going to just knead it.
I said not to put on the table. You see this right here? Look. You see this? Look at that.
That's not from mine.
I know, but don't put it on the table. You see this?
Ah,
I said go
this
get
could be
a
horrible
plate.
video.
Well,
But I cleaned it with water. Yeah, I did. So this is what it looks like. So just knead it until it doesn't stick to your skin. So this is my. We should have lotion.
No, you don't add lotion to this, Jemine. It's going to make it not clear.
No, I'm talking
Did
about
you-
this one.
You added too much to that?
No, add a little bit.
To borax?
No, I didn't shouldn't you?
Exactly, you added too much borax. Oh my gosh. Do not learn from this slime. You need lotion for that. Only a little bit. Probably shouldn't upload this to YouTube. It's not a very good tutorial. Look at how that's too hard to mine.
But we need lotion, but I don't know what the lotion is.
Go find lotion.
Hey, baby. Go sit on my seat.
I'm gonna pour the rest of this glue into this bowl right here, and then make some better clear slime. It's pretty good. It's just not that stretchy. Oh, I'm gonna add the tiniest bit.
Add some lotion. So right now it's added some lotion to make it stretchy. See, now it's more stretchy. And for the clear one, just keep it to 4 or
What are you talking about?
okay. If you add baking soda to your clear slime, then it will take 2 to 3 days to clear.
Just wait a while. You don't need to be so complicated.
5 to something days.
Really? No, there's no measurements for slime. That slime's bad.
So this is what my slime looks like. So now I'm just going to get my container and put it in there. I should have made more.
But probably.
Now I can just put it here and make more.
Should probably only do a 1/4 teaspoon.
Let's do a new video. And just do some.
You're supposed to do a 1/2 teaspoon, not a teaspoon. That's why our slime's bad.